When he joined school, he was in a different phase of his life, I'll say that. He's been a very lovable and friendly child, but yes, I say, he's been blessed with a younger sibling. At that very moment, we found out that there are certain changes in his personality. So
Yeah.
we thought of started sending him to school. शिवाय को स्कूल भेजने के बाद miracle happened. 4 to 5 days में he was settled in the school. शिवाय के फादर उसको जब स्कूल छोड़ने के लिए गए तो जब लेकर आ रहे थे अंदर तो he was holding his father's
finger.
जैसे ही टीचर ने बोला शिवाय come here and with open arms she welcomed Shivai and my son like he was like surprised पीछे मुड़ के भी नहीं देखा शिवाय ने हमको. So there's a kind of love and affection he's getting here.
So we are here today with the grandparent of Shivai. So welcome Mrs. and Mr. Anand. And thank you so much for taking out time and coming here for our Mother's Pride podcast.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is ours.
So great. All right. So I just wanted to know, ma'am, like Shivai has been coming here to school in Mother's Pride. So would you like to share any experience of his coming here to school?
Yeah, Shivai is actually, I see he is really enjoying his journey here. He is very well settled. He loves to come to school and he's really fond of his teachers.
Oh, that's great to hear.
When he joined school, he was in a different phase of his life, I'll say that. He's been a very lovable and friendly child, but yes, I say, he's been blessed with a younger sibling.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got to know that. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And at that very moment, we discovered, I'll say, we found out that there are certain changes in his personality.
In Shivai?
Yeah, in Shivai.
Okay.
And we believe that, we thought of that he's actually missing the me time with mama.
Okay.
That was the thing. And we thought of why not to, have a peer group, he used to be peer group pally. So
Yeah.
we thought of started sending him to school.
Okay. So
And
that
that's
time
the
you
way-
took a decision of, putting him to a play school, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
We thought of sending him to school. And of course, when you definitely every parent wants to give best to their child.
Absolutely,
So,
ma'am.
so we thought of Mother's Pride. That's the way, Shivai is being part of this organization,
Okay.
Mother's Pride.
Okay.
And I'll say, I must say that after joining school, within 10 to 15 days time, there was a tremendous change in his vocabulary. Earlier, he used to say one or two single words, right? Whenever जो बात करता था कभी भी शिवाय तो वो single words बोलता था.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन within 10 to 15 days में, he started speaking full sentences and was shocked. And that was, we never expected कि इतना जल्दी vocabulary में changes भी आ सकते हैं. He started loving school and he 4 to 5 days, he was a little cranky. नहीं जाना है, जैसे usual बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं जाना है
Absolutely.
school because
Yeah.
again, it's the first step coming out.
Moving
of
out
the
of
family.
house.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. After 4 to 5 days, when I had a word with my daughter, she said, "Mama, शिवाय के father उसको जब स्कूल छोड़ने के लिए गए तो जब लेकर आ रहे थे अंदर तो he was holding his father's
finger.
जैसे ही टीचर ने बोला शिवाय come here and with open arms she welcomed Shivai and Shivai just landed in her arms and my son like Udit, he was like surprised like पीछे मुड़ के भी नहीं देखा शिवाय ने हमको. So there's a kind of love and affection he's getting here.
Oh, that's great. So were you able, just as you shared that, the sibling was there and he was missing mama that time. So how do you feel, matlab, is there any changes in that context, what you shared with Shivai's behavior?
Yeah, lots of changes.
Okay.
Now he says, now I say he's protected to Neom.
Okay.
The younger sibling is Neom.
Okay.
So I'm a big brother because I think here also teachers, they are having n number of stories. With every day is a new day here, I'll say. रोज कुछ एक्टिविटी कर रहा होता है शिवाय, कभी स्टेज पे है, कभी हम कुछ और पिक्चर्स देखते हैं शिवाय की. तो there's a change, there's a shift change. So because again now he's having his own peer group, he's having his own kind of space also. He's sharing some good relationship with peer group, school and a family also. So there's a shift change, I'll say.
And I would also like to know, do you think that early education, early childhood education helps children emotionally and to adjust into their life?
If I'll say that, yes, the kind of experience we have here, what we are actually experiencing right now, it's really very important. It's really very important to send a child to school at the right age. We believe actually हमें grandparents को parents को हमें लगता है बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाए फिर स्कूल भेजेंगे. When we send Shivai and the kind of change we have experienced, that is amazing. So I think we really need to actually choose the right time to have the child in the school.
The right time,
And
the
yes,
right school.
That's really important.
Yeah.
Again, we look for the kind of activities, environment that's really important. But as a branding, I'll say that what we need to look for is a school where that could be the second home for the child.
Absolutely right. Yeah.
And I'll say we are the blessed ones. We have chosen right place for our little one. Right, sir?
So how you tell me, sir, how are you spending time with Shivai? Shivai?
To Nanu. Yeah.
Okay. So you tell me something about Shivai then. I want to hear it from you.
शिवाय मेरा एज ए फ्रेंड है.
He's your friend?
Friend.
Oh, that's great.
फ्रेंड समझता हूँ. स्कूल आने में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड रहता है. सुबह मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है स्कूल जाने में. मेरे नए नए फ्रेंड्स हैं. सब फ्रेंड्स का नाम लेता है.
Oh, great.
टीचर्स
Okay.
का नाम लेता है. एक्टिविटी बहुत
तो कुछ ऐसी चीज जो उसने कभी आपके साथ स्कूल के बारे में शेयर करी हो?
डिस्कशन करता रहता है. मेरे फ्रेंड्स का ये है.
अच्छा.
हमने आज ये प्ले किया स्कूल में. आज हमने ये खाना खाया है.
अच्छा.
पूरा
Yeah, he
डिस्कशन
started
करता
eating
है.
food.
Okay.
Yeah, of his own. Of course, बच्चों में eating habits develop करना it's
I know they're very
बहुत
choosy.
tough task होता है.
Yeah, absolutely
But
true.
yes, he's learned. I'll say credit goes to mother's pride.
So looking back, ma'am, what advice would you like to give to, our viewers, our other parents about who are struggling with this sibling, issues, like when you have a new sibling in the family and the elder child is not able to adjust? Any kind of a suggestion you would like to give to our parents?
I'll say that out of my experience, definitely
Absolutely.
I'll say that, first of all, we need to have patience, number one. And yes, we need to make sure that, the attention need not to be deviated from the first one. That is really, really, really important. And if we believe that we need help, so we need to ask for help.
Yeah.
Help in the form of our elders or maybe our friend circle, and choosing, maybe selecting a right place for the child where the child can have his or her peer group. They can spend quality time there.
Yeah.
And in case of our grandson, it really worked well. It really worked well. और जब भी हम स्कूल चूज करें, मैं फिर से दोबारा से कहना चाहूंगी कि बच्चे के लिए हमें दूसरा घर देखें, second home for the child. That's really important.
Right, absolutely right.
That is, again, we are really happy that our child is in the right place with the right set of people.
Absolutely. I think taking this decision at the right moment is also something very important. Maybe Shivai has come out of this because you took a right decision in time, sending him to school so that he is involved with his own peer group. Because I think the mother also wanted that particular time with the younger one. Anything specific about Shivai, anything that he comes back home, he shares with you, what he has learned, anything, small little things he tells you about the school, his teachers, his friends, anything you want to share with us?
There's one boy named, I think, Mayan.
In his class?
In his class, there's
Okay.
one boy. And maybe, children, when they play together, many of time it happens, they, push each other. they were playing outside
Yeah.
during the race. And next day he came back, the same day he came back home and he shared, his surname is Babbar.
Okay.
And his father told him, you are Shivai Babbar, so you need to act like a lion. And next day he entered the classroom and he actually started acting like a lion. That, बच्चों को कितना impact करती है वो चीजें.
Yeah.
Father said that you're not going to hurt anybody, but yes, whenever you feel that, you are not being able to control the situation, you need to act like a lion. So that is what Shivai's teacher also shared with us, that, he started acting
like
this.
like
And
lion.
he's enjoying all the activities. He's finishing his food and whenever he's happy ना, he gives very mischievous kind of smile. And मैंने जो उसकी स्कूल से फोटोग्राफ्स आती हैं उसमें ऑब्जर्व किया है that that smile is there.
Hmm.
It means he's really enjoying each and every moment.